Feeling nothing like fall. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Today is the fall equinox, despite what it might feel like outside. Now, this is a Latin term for equal nights, and what's happening is that the sun's direct rays pass directly overhead at the equator. That actually happened at 3:50 this morning, where there was daylight, and it's going to continue its journey southward to the Tropic of Capricorn. Then that will be on the winter solstice. Again, no fall weather here in sight in South Jersey. Temperatures in the mid-80s here across the area. That's about 10 degrees above average, and we're not done warming just yet. What we do have is a cold front over here in Pennsylvania going into Maryland and upstate New York. That's carrying a little bit of rain, and you do notice the cooler temperatures with it. That will limp our way as we go forward throughout the night tonight. Let's fast forward to 8 o'clock. You see a couple of showers and storms on radar, but nothing too intimidating. Even at 11 o'clock, it does get closer to our area. I'm expecting nothing but an isolated shower, and that will continue till about 2 a.m. before we start to dry out here and clear out. In terms of rainfall totals, only about 1/10 of an inch at most, and that's not a lot here considering that we are abnormally dry. We're in a step just before drought here in South Jersey, so we do actually need that rain. Turning to the tropics, they are quite active and bringing a lot of rain to portions of the Atlantic Ocean. We have 3 storms to talk about. The first one is Tropical Storm Jerry, which is going to head out to the east, safely away from our area, but a tropical storm warning is in effect for Bermuda. It's bringing us some higher rip currents today. The next one is Karen. This one is just west of the Antilles and going to be moving pretty much due north until it kind of meanders around this area where I'm pointing late in the week and into next weekend. And finally, we are at L, Tropical Storm Lorenzo. This one looks to have no impact to us. It's going to move to the north and west and then eventually curl out to sea as we go into next week. So very active here across the area. Temperatures in the upper 80s on the mainland for today, just around 80 at the shore. A beautiful beach day here as we go to our fall equinox. So feeling, again, nothing like fall. If you are heading out on the water, rip current risk is a high. There's already not a lot, if any, towns that still have lifeguards, so I wouldn't be in the water anyway. But even if there are lifeguards, you're probably seeing the red flag. Surge zone 5 feet, but water temperatures, again, low to mid-70s, and that is about 3 degrees above average for this time of year. For tonight, again, a couple of showers starting at 8 p.m. That'll be in western Atlantic and Cumberland counties, and then it'll move eastward with time. But if you do see a shower, I think it's going to be generally light and not lasting that long. It's out of here by 2 a.m. We're starting to clear out already. It should actually be mainly clear by 4 a.m. Low temperatures about 10 degrees above average, and probably another air conditioning night for you. You won't need air conditioner on Tuesday. Temperatures with the northwesterly wind get into the upper 70s. Very pleasant here for late September, and pretty quiet weather. Now we'll continue into the rest of the week here. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not expecting any rain. A cold front does pass Thursday night. I think we're likely dry here. Temperatures bouncing from about seasonable to another summery day for Thursday. Saturday and Sunday looking mostly dry. We are tracking a cold front for Saturday. No guarantee that we see rain. In fact, if we don't see rain, this number could actually be about 10 degrees higher out on the mainland. Could be talking near 90 for Saturday. Elevated rip current risk at the shore again as we go throughout the week. We'll be talking about the rain and the potential for drought, as well as this beautiful fall weather here in South Jersey. You can find that all on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or thepressafac.com/weather.